your intro. Auto Garage, please subscribe my channel. Hey everyone, this is Auto Garage, and before we start, please subscribe my channel, hit that like button, and share this video with every luxury lover out there. Because what you're about to see is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in motion. Welcome to the world of Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 Pure Green Edition. A motorhome that defines what true luxury on wheels really means. This isn't just travel, it's royalty refined. Imagine a machine so elegant that every turn feels like art, and every mile whispers class. The Pure Green Edition isn't simply a color, it's a symbol of rebirth, of energy, of timeless style that never fades. Rolls-Royce has always built dreams, not just cars. But now they've taken that dream on the road, turning long journeys into red carpet experiences. Every bolt, every stitch, every light beam tells a story of pure craftsmanship. The exterior, a masterpiece in motion. A deep emerald body that sparkles like a gemstone beneath sunlight. Every line, every curve reflects perfection. When it moves, it doesn't just drive, it floats. At the front, the signature Rolls-Royce grille stands proud. Majestic, bold, unforgettable. Above it, the spirit of ecstasy leads the way, gliding forward as if the wind itself bows in respect. This is elegance that moves. This is power wrapped in silence. Open the doors and step into another world. Inside, the Rolls-Royce motorhome becomes a private palace. Leather seats crafted by hand, polished wood accents glowing under soft lights, and a calmness that feels like meditation. Here, luxury is not an idea. It's a feeling that wraps around you. The air smells of elegance, thanks to an inbuilt aromatherapy system. Lighting adjusts to your mood. The seats respond to your body, and every sound disappears into the silence of peace. A 65-inch 8K screen stands ready to turn nights into cinematic magic. Bang & Olufsen speakers surround you with crystal-clear sound, and at the back, a hidden bar, crafted from glass and chrome, waits for that perfect evening toast under the stars. But make no mistake, this beauty has strength. Under its flawless body lies an all-electric powertrain, producing 900 horsepower of silent, unstoppable energy. Zero emissions, instant torque, 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds. That's not just performance, it's Rolls-Royce perfection in motion. The world outside may be noisy, but inside, there's only peace. No engine growl, no vibration, just the hum of the future moving gracefully beneath your feet. When you drive it, people don't just look. They stop. They stare. Because what passes them is not just a motorhome, it's history, alive and breathing in pure green. This isn't about speed or numbers. It's about how it makes you feel. The confidence of commanding a legend, the calm of being surrounded by beauty, and the pride of knowing you own something only few can ever dream of. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is for the visionaries, the dreamers, the ones who don't follow trends, they set them. Tone, cinematic rising energy. Picture this. You're driving along the California coast, waves crashing beside you, sky painted gold. Or maybe you're on the Scottish Highlands, mist curling over green hills, and the spirit of ecstasy gliding through the fog ahead. Everywhere you go, eyes follow. Because this is not transportation, it's transformation. It's the poetry of freedom. It's the dream of motion turned into art. It's for those who live without limits, who believe the journey should feel as grand as the destination. Inside, you don't just travel, you arrive. Every time. Rolls-Royce didn't just make a motorhome, they made a moving masterpiece. A silent giant that redefines what it means to live luxuriously. The 2026 Pure Green Edition is more than a vehicle. It's the future of motion. A promise that wherever you go, you'll arrive in style, in silence, and in perfection. So remember this moment, because you're not just watching a Rolls-Royce, you're witnessing luxury reborn. This is the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 Pure Green Edition. Where elegance meets the open road, where dreams live and move. Otro, friendly and confident voice. This is Auto Garage. If you loved this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because more luxury legends are coming your way soon. Stay tuned and keep driving in style.